is a pen. That is a parrot. So let's see what happens and how quickly the pen will cease to exist in a few seconds. Perhaps a minute or two, but yeah. If you do happen to accidentally leave your stationery or stuff like that in the presence of your bird, you can say goodbye to them. They just like, they're really good toys, but yeah, they also sort of stop being usable after a few minutes. He will literally not stop until he has broken every single piece of that pen. He'll break the cap, he'll break, like, he'll remove everything. Yeah, just like that. Now I'm going to stop him because the pen is still usable and he won't let it go.